What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a metal frame cage. This frame cage is for our Insta360 Ace Pro. I love this camera. I already featured this camera plenty of times on this channel, you guys. As far as video goes, and as far as like buying accessories, I reviewed this mic adapter right here. I reviewed battery packs for it. So I let people know that, you know, cool stuff that they can get with their Insta360 Ace Pro or their Ace, whatever one floats your boat. And with that being said, we have a metal frame cage, which protects your camera more, and it should come with covers for your lens. With this cage, you can also shoot vertical and horizontal. It gives you that option. So let's go ahead, check it out real quick. Ooh, okay, wipes, dry wipes. So this is to put all of your protection on there as far as the screens go. And you guys, I really recommend you to protect this screen right here. Protect this at all costs, because that screen is basically the most exposed thing on here that can get scratched up, break, and stuff like that. So yeah, protect your investments. Now this cage is nice, metal framed cage. They have a screw right here. Take that off and you can lift the cage up, and then this is supposed to go over here. So what you can do is you can hook a mic to this side if you need to hook your mic up, which is nice. And you can hook a light on the top of this, and then you can still use your bottom clip to clip it on. So if you want to do vertical, you can hook it up vertical right here. You can hook a mic up right here, but there's really nowhere else for you to put a light to it. So you kind of don't need a light unless you're doing indoor videos like I do, but I have big lights already, so I don't really need a personal vlogging light. But that's what your wants and needs. But you have, basically, you can do vertical, you could do horizontal, you can hook your mic adapter up right there. So that is nice, and it's easy to take off and on. And then you have all of your screen protections, which I love the way they came out with this new set of lens protection, or whatever you want to call it. All right. When they came out with this screen, the new screen protector, I love it, guys, because it makes the screen more durable. So if you think you scratched your screen, you really just scratched the glass. That especially for phones. I have one on my phone, and yeah. So you have a screen protection for your main screen. Look like they gave you two for that. And then you have protection for your front screens right here. So you got protection for that screen, and then you have a protection for this screen. All right, so we are going to go ahead. We're going to test this out. Now, when you do this, you see where it says wipe and then dry. So you wipe it and then you dry it with this, and then you put your screen on, screen protector on. So we have the screen protector already ready. It lets you know what's the back. So they stating that this part is the back right there. So it goes on just like that. So we're going to take our protector off that we keep taking off, on, and it's no good to us. Rip this open. All right. Wipe it down. Number two. Use a dry wipe. Take that off and place it right there. Boom. Right now, just let all the air go out. I'm going to push from the middle out. All right. And you guys, you can't even tell if there's a screen protector on here. Ooh, it's looking nice. I'm loving it. You guys, I'm having so much fun right now. All right, you guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish putting the rest of them on. And yeah, everything looks good. All right, so last but not least, one of the main things that actually led me to buy this product. Boom. You can protect your lens while you're not using this, all right? Protecting the lens is very important, you guys, and also protecting the screen back here. But I think we are all good. Hopefully, I'm not getting no other accessories, you guys. This Insta360 is going to make me go broke. Yeah, it feels a little bit lighter, but when it's on the cage, it does feel like it has a little bit more weight to it. But guess what? That makes it more durable. I love this metal cage, you guys. I'm just absolutely in love with it. Now I can rig it up even more. All right, so yeah, that will be it.